Oh, ricochet, and will that go to the fence? Oh, he's tipped it around the bar and it's gone for 4. The effort to get down, not good enough. Sean Shalfredi, short, wide, cutaway, Babar Azam style. Oh, classy. The strokes it through the covers. 4 more. Bit of body. Nicely played. Will that go? Yes, it will. Lovely touch to the third man fence.
Oh, that is beautiful on the eye. That is from Babar Azam.
Just the opening of the face to find the gap in the covers.
Oh, he's strained down that leg stump, and that's been punished. Can't bowl there to Babar Azam. You've got to bowl straight.
Even though there is a fine leg, it doesn't matter.
Off the pads, is it, or it's a runs? Arm is out. Arm is out. Have we got a freebie?
Runs is given so far, and a free hit. And it's gone. It's gone for 4.
And the last ball had to be rebowled. Oh.
Troll. Short, slapped away. It's 4.
Exactly.
Oh, Babar Azam goes big himself. 6 more. These are hurting ᴍᴏᴏᴇ and the Qalandars. Well, that's so good to watch.